Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we have the RWPP-ROSE Panty Power Box, so let's get into it and check out all the goodies inside. This box comes with monthly period products and all of the things you need to make the month more pleasant for you. Also, if you don't want the period products, you don't even have to have those. This is sent to me free for review. They give me a link and a code that gets you 30% off your first box. But do not use it if you want this box and you are buying it before February 29th. You're gonna wanna use the code Valentine's15. With Valentine's15, your first box is gonna be $15. And that includes the free 2-day shipping. $15 to try the box. Valentine's 15, don't use my code. It's after 29th. Is this leap year? I'm gonna change that to February 28th because I'm not sure if this is leap year, but after the last day of February, if you are ordering this, then you'll want to use my code Kathrin30, which gets you like $11.25 off the box. So it brings it down to like $26.25. But until then, until the end of the month, you can get this box for $15. Okay, let's get in it and let's talk about it. It is so pretty when you open it up. What you receive in the box is period products, but if you don't want them for whatever reason in your life, you can just skip them and you'll get an extra lifestyle product. You get 2 pair of underwear. She carries them from size small to 3X. You will get lifestyle products and you will get some snacks. This is the February box, and that is what the front looks like. And on the inside, it will show us the products, and she does have variations, and she will check off of all of the things on the list what you have received. Don't look at it, don't want to cheat. Okay, I guess we're gonna start doing variations, and I kind of like that. I got all pads this month. They offer pads and tampons. You can get whatever you choose. If you choose a combination, you generally get 9 tampons and 6 pads, or you can get all 15 of your products in pads or in tampons, or you can skip it all together. There is so much flexibility in this box. So this month, I got all pads. So that is new and different. I like showing you guys different. See, this month, just a stack of pads. This is the brand that's in this month's box. It may be in all of the boxes, but she sent us paperwork this month, and it says that they're hypoallergenic, chlorine-free, pesticide-free, and fragrance-free. Next, we'll get the snacks out of the way because we saw the snacks. We have Earth's Best Organic Garden Veggie Straws. I love these. I buy them in. Have you guys ever seen these? It's not this brand that I purchased, but the veggie straws. You guys ever bought them at Sam's? You bring them home and it's like adopting a child into your family because it's so big you have to find space for it. They're amazing, but I love veggie straws is the takeaway from that. I also received a Snickers bite, a Three Musketeers bite, a Russell Stover mint patty. I would have said York peppermint patties until this very moment, but I love a good mint patty. We also receive each month these Stallmates flushable wipes, and I just think these are really cool. I mean, you could absolutely use them in your house, absolutely. But I just think these are so neat for like sticking in your purse and when you're on the go and just feeling extra clean and fresh. And then we also receive our bag undies, and you just let them know what size you are. Like I said, they carry a size small to a size 3X, and I generally get a thong and a regular brief. Probably brief is the word, or hipster, you know, one of those types in each bag. This month I received a pretty pink, oh, this is pretty. This is like a full waist high one. It's just got the pretty lace on it. It's pink. It's also got pretty lace. It's just so pretty. And the back is just pink and kind of, it's almost like, what is that called? Men's suits. I know, comparing it to men's suits. Pencil suit. Why am I drawing a blank all of a sudden? You guys know what I'm trying to say. So that's my first pair. My second pair is the thong. It usually is. Let's see if I can tell the front from the back. I struggled with that. Excellent. This one has a tag. We won't even relive it. Last month I did not get it right. So this is actually really pretty, very summery and nice. That is what the front looks like. It's got the elastic band that goes all the way around the front. The back is only slightly smaller. I mean, it's thongy, but it's not as thongy as some. very pretty in pink. So both of mine were pink, maybe because of Valentine's Day. Those are my 2 pair of undies, and they say that the underwear will have a value of $8 to $25. And the value of the box is $85 or more. Let's get into my lifestyle products. Now, I have from Trouvailles Naturals, the facial serum. That is what that looks like. I am not going to open it. I actually have one open and I use it periodically. I have so many serums. I need to pick one and stick with it and see if it will make my face better. But I like to jump around. This is what this looks like. And the paperwork just tells us it has a $37 value. And the box tells us that it is formulated with a powerhouse blend of organic ingredients. Our quick absorbing facial serum will help increase cell turnover, fight acne causing bacteria, heal blemishes, and even the skin tone, all while revealing luminous, healthy, and radiant skin. Perfect to use for the base of your skincare and will leave you with a soft, smooth finish. Treat yourself with our facial serum for a daily and nightly dose of instant glow. That is probably why I set this aside and went on to another oil, because I don't really have acne issues, but I'll leave that untouched so I can pass it along. Oh, I just found, leaning up against the front of the box, a raspberry leather snack. It's a house of cards back there. It's a house of cards. Okay, next out we have something in a pink pouch. I don't know what it is. I need scissors. I feel like at Christmas. I don't know. I shook it and I couldn't tell. Oh, it's a gua sha. It's very difficult for me to tell under these lights if that is white or pink, but as you could hear, it is definitely stone or glass. It did not break, so also very durable. And the paperwork tells us that this is a Mishki boutique, and this is a $25 value. Gua shas, if you are new to them, you put some kind of gray moisturizer or preferably a serum, get your face good and moisturized, and then you can just draw it up and out, and it's perfect for like lymphatic drainage, like if it was a soup bowl and you maybe had a beer or two too many or too many chips, and it just feels great. It helps with lymphatic drainage. They say it helps you look younger. I have quite the collection of these and I love them because on top of everything else, they're really pretty. Next out, we seem to have, I don't see it on the paperwork, a bonus brush. And you guys know I love a brush, so I will never turn down a bonus brush. I'm not sure what you would use this size for. It's kind of a plastic but jewel looking handle. It's okay. Actually, it's kind of firm. It might actually work for like highlighter. I don't think that it's tight enough for me to use on my small space eyes. It's just a cute little bonus right up front where it can't take down my house. And last out, ooh, what is this? Callus Remover Professional Foot Scrubber. You know I'm about this. I am all about this. The paperwork says that it has a $15 value. It says great skincare isn't just a trend with this innovative foot exfoliator. You can gently remove stubborn rough patches without sharp metal edges. I never use those. Or the sensation of grating off delicate skin. This tool features finely textured glass to help smooth and reveal your most confident self. Scrub the skin evenly with the rough side of the product in a dry foot condition. Let's check this out. I like to scrub at my feet. They get so rough. Oh, this is really underneath. It's got a little plastic case. When you take it out, look how cool it's gonna be. Trying to get it out without do no harm. Oh my gosh. It says that 0.2 millimeter micro protrusions are applied with photo etching technique. So this is a smooth side. And that is the side that's going to remove unnecessary dead skin cells and keep your feet smooth. And when you look at it, it just kind of looks like glass, but when I touched it, my finger, I'm pulling slightly. My finger almost sticks to it because of the little etchings in it that are gonna scrub your feet. I'm so intrigued by this. So they've made this smooth so you can, yeah. I cannot wait to try this. I'm gonna slide him right down into his little pouch. I have to keep him in his little pouch because the back of that's really rough. That is so cool. It's so different. I like that a lot. Ta-da! I got it all standing. It has at various times through this had non-standing portions of the program. Okay, so with Rosewar Panty Power, you get your period products, which this month I got all pads, but you let her know. You want all pads, you want all tampons, you want a good mix, You need none of them and want an extra lifestyle product, just let her know. You get your 2 pair of underwear, you let her know, sizes small through 3 extra large, and then you get your lifestyle products and your snacks. And for lifestyle this month, I got the Trouvailles face cream, I got the really cool foot scrub, the little brush, and the gua sha stone. So, very happy. But like I said, don't use my code. If you are doing this before the end of the month, whether it's the 28th or the 29th, because I don't remember if it's leap year or not. I wrote down the 29th, but I don't remember that it's leap year, so let's assume the 28th. Valentine's 15 gets you your first box for $15, and you get free 2-day shipping. So that's better than my code. So use that one. If you're here after that, like if you're here on March 1st, then go ahead and use my code, which is Kathrin30, still a great code, and that'll get you 30% off your first box. Thanks so much for coming by, guys. Thank you to Rose Wore Panty Power for sending me this great box. I really appreciate it. Have a great day. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I'll see you really soon. Bye, guys.